Okay, so here in today's chapter, so we are going to learn about the telephone call. So page number it is 72. Okay, so turn on your book, page number 72. So here, so extra call means what in extra call? Okay, last time I told you, so 200 rupees. Okay, so 200 rupees, otherwise 175 calls सम्म को लागि चाहिँ, so you need to pay 200 rupees. Okay, that is the minimum call, otherwise we can call it the rental call. So तिमीले चलाऊ नचलाऊ, you need to pay. Okay, so the rental call you must pay uh, in a form of the minimum charge. Okay, so that is the rental call 175. Maximum question of 175 call is the rental call. Okay, chalao na chalao up to 175 calls that will be the rental call. If you use more than 175 call, okay, then that is called the extra call. Okay, suppose तिमीले 200 call चलाछ अरे 175 सम्म मात्रै हो minimum charge. That means how much extra call you have done. So 200 minus 175, 25 extra call you have done it. Okay, so तिमीलाई भनेछ अरे 5 वटा मात्रै समोसा खान पाउँछौ भनेछ अरे. Okay, तर तिमीले 7 वटा खायो अरे. So what is the extra samosa you have taken? 2 samosa. That is the extra. Okay, so in the same way, in the similar way, so if rental call is 175 and you have done more than 175 call, okay, so कति 175 call भन्दा कति बेसी गरेछ त, that is called the extra call. Okay, now again extra call cost भनेको चाहिँ अब त्यो extra call जुन गरेको छ तिमीले, okay, so suppose त्यो दुईटा समोसा जुन धेरै extra खाछ तिमीले, हो त्यो एउटा समोसाको चाहिँ कति हो त? If one samosa cost rupees 10, दुईटा समोसाको त obviously what will be? Okay, so it will be 2 into 10, 20. Okay, that means you will multiply that 2 with the rate भनेको एउटाको कति. Okay, so that is the rate. So in the similar way, extra call cost भनेको चाहिँ के भन्दाखेरि extra call into rate. Please turn on your video all of you. Okay. Turn on your video. John. Okay. Then after that, so that is the extra call cost. Okay, so suppose 25 is the extra call. अनि प्राय क्वेशनमा रेट चाहिँ कति हुन्छ त? एक्स्ट्रा कलको रेट 1 रुपीस. Okay, एक एक्स्ट्रा कल गरेको 1 रुपैयाँ गोटाले लिन्छ. That means 25 into 1, 25 rupees लाग्छ. Sub total call also we have done it. Sub total call भनेको के हो भन्दाखेरि, so minimum call कति गरेछौ तिमीले? Okay, minimum is rental charge कति हो? Okay, plus extra call cost कति लागेछ तिमीलाई? Okay, so rental भनेको minimum plus extra. That means अघिसम्म तिमीलाई के एउटा simple example लिँदाखेरि, suppose if you can eat 5 samosa, okay, minimum 5 samosa खाऊ है भनेको छ अरे. But if you have taken 2 extra samosas, then you altogether how much you have taken? 7. Okay, so 5 वटा समोसालाई चाहिँ तिमीहरुको 10 रुपैयाँ लिन्छु, अनि एक्स्ट्रा तिमीले कतिवटा समोसाहरू खायो भने चाहिँ 20 रुपैयाँ गोटाले लिन्छु भनेर मैले. ओके, सो 5 वटा समोसालाई त 20 रुपैयाँ लागिहाल्यो. द्याट मिन्स खाऊ नखाऊ तिमीले 20 रुपैयाँ त तिर्नै पर्छ. ओके, सो एउटा समोसाको तिमीहरुको 50 रुपैयाँ लियो भने दुईटा समोसा कति रुपैयाँ? 100 रुपीस लाग्यो. सो 100 प्लस 20 है, 7 वटा खाछ नि त तिमीले. सो 5 वटाको 20 रुपैयाँ लाग्यो, मिनिमम तिमीलाई 20 रुपैयाँ लाग्यो. ओके, प्लस दुईटा एक्स्ट्रा खाछ भने त्यसको कति रुपैयाँ रे त? सो दैट कस्ट रुपीस 100 टु यु. सो 100 plus 20, okay, so minimum charge plus extra thing you have taken is equal to subtotal bill amount. Okay, so minimum charge plus extra charge jun leko chhau timale, so that is the subtotal bill amount. Okay, so rental charge amount bhanincha त्यसलाई चाहिँ. अनि next one is grand total bill amount. Okay, BIV and BILL. Yeah, okay, so bill amount is there. So whatever subtotal bill will come, you are going to multiply with 110% into 113%. Okay, so I've taught you this one in the previous days also. So 110 means 100 plus 10. 10% cost को बोलाया थियो TSC. टेलिफोन सर्भिस चार्ज भनेर लागेको थियो ओके टेलिफोन सर्भिस चार्ज टीएससी को 10% थियो so 100 plus 10% गरेर it has become 110% and in the similar way 113 means 100 plus 13 कसको percentage थियो VAT को okay so always remember so TSC means 10% will be there VAT means 13% will be there so in this way these formulas we are going to use today okay so in this today's work we are going to use it okay so let us go for the next slide if you have already copied it's okay if you have not copied then copy it quickly okay so I've already sent the photo of that formula you can copy afterwards also so let us go for the next topic now okay so let us go for question number 4 last time we have done up number 3 okay so page number 72 please do it in a similar way okay so that it will be easy for you so date kun date ma gareko thiyau हामीले okay so compulsory math no need to write on this compulsory math you are doing I think in the compulsory math copy only okay so page number date everything please write on yourself okay so number 4 okay look at the question what is there in the question so the minimum charge for first 175 telephone call okay so 175 telephone call के भनेछ minimum charge भनेछ okay minimum charge for 175 telephone call is rupees 200 so minimum भनेको rental हो okay so minimum charge कति रुपैयाँ लिन्छ अरे rupees 200 rupees लिन्छ अरे okay so minimum charge is 200 कति call को 200 175 call को चाहिँ it costs rupees 200 to you okay so if you have call up to 175 calls then that will charge you rupees 200 to you so if the charge for is additional call I told you just before also additional call ko jaile pani additional call means rate okay additional call ko jati extra call garchau timarle so that will cost rupees 1 dash means it is per एक कल को 1 रुपैयाँ दुई कल को 2 रुपैयाँ भने जस्तै rupees 1 per call we write down as RE है rupee भन्छ it is a singular form so this is the singular form of rupees okay so RE rupee भन्छ हामीले so rupee 1 per call so that is the additional call charge otherwise we can just call it as rate also so additional call charge means rate 1 rupee per call now what is given in the question next let us see find the subtotal bill amount equals to question mark okay so subtotal bill equals to question mark and for the following telephone call okay so telephone call there are 3 questions altogether in question number 4 you can see in page number 72 okay so page number is mentioned so please open your book page number 72 okay so you can see your book okay so in this case what you can see is that so number A ma ke deko cha bhane subtotal bill amount equals to question mark so telephone call is 75 calls just before what I have told you that minimum call is 175 timarle phone nagare pani how much you need to pay 200 rupees you need to pay that means if the call you made is less than 175 call okay so 175 call भन्दा तिमीले थोरै पनि गरोस् जतिसुकै गर up to 175 call how much you need to pay 200 rupees okay suppose you have gone to the concert there's that concert ticket is to 1000 rupees okay यो concert को ticket को price 1000 rupees अरे हो त्यसमा चाहिँ एउटा के पनि दिन्छ भन्दा तिमीलाई एउटा okay so Red Bull दिन्छ अरे okay so they gives you Red Bull तिमीलाई कोही बेला के भन्छ भन्दा Red Bull so it tastes like the medicine to you all okay so खोकीको दबाई जस्तो लाग्छ म त खानै मन लाग्दैन okay so if you want to take it if you don't want to take it don't take okay तर तिमीलाई टिकट so टिकट सँग त्यो फ्री हो खाए खाओ नखाए फाल्दियो okay but that is the cost okay so that is the minimum cost of the ticket and in that ticket if you get that Red Bull then that is the additional that you are getting it okay so तिमीहरुले खाए पनि नखाए पनि so you need to pay 1000 rupees म Red Bull खान्दिन मलाई डिस्काउन्ट देऊ okay so how much it costs I don't know okay so that मलाई डिस्काउन्ट देऊ पाइँदैन ओके सो तिमीलाई खाए पनि नखाए पनि you need to pay 1000 rupees भने जस्तै नै so if you call up to 175 calls okay so एक कल गर दुई कल गर नभए कलै नगर यो महिना कल नै गरेको छैन कसैलाई कल गरेको छैन भने पनि how much you need to pay so that will be registered as 175 call only and it will charge you 200 rupees okay त्यो कलको तिमीलाई 200 rupees नै पर्छ okay so look at here so telephone call 75 that means it is less than 175 call right so since the minimum call is 175 call okay which is less than okay so 75 call सम्म चाहिँ तिमीहरुको sorry 175 call सम्म चाहिँ it is minimum call it is less than 175 call that means what is the subtotal bill amount you need to pay how much rupees 200 rupees okay so rupees 200 नै तिमीलाई दिनु पर्यो यता क्याल्कुलेसन केही गर्नु परेन okay so just use your mind so what you need to write down so just you need to pay 2000 rupees sorry 200 rupees okay as the subtotal bill amount since the minimum call is 175 call so 174 175 सम्म तिमीले कल गरेछ भने पनि what you need to pay 200 rupees okay so त्यो भन्दा छुट हुँदैन मैले त एक कल कम गरे त मलाई छुट पाइँदैन okay so you need to pay rupees 200 rupees okay so that is number A so in a similar way okay यो त simple थियो त्यही भएर I have done number B also for you all okay so let us go for number B so here also you need to pay the main question यो छ है अनि त्यहाँ अर्को क्वेशनहरु दिएको छ that's why subtotal bill amount नै खोज्नु भने चाहिँ equals to question mark okay and the telephone call in number B what is the telephone call it is 325 325 call is the telephone call तिमीले यति कल गरेको रहेछौ साथीलाई भाइलाई कोलाई हो okay you have called this much 175 कल सम्म गर्नु पर्ने थियो तिमीले यो भन्दा धेरै कल गर्यौ अब तिमीले एक्स्ट्रा तिर्नु पर्छ so let us calculate now how much extra you need to pay what is the bill you are going to pay now okay so let us calculate that one hope you have completed this one let us go for this okay so first of all according to our formula अघि हामीले formula जुन चलाएको थियौ once you can see that formula also okay so extra call निकाल्नु हामी पहिला okay so पहिला extra call कति गर्यौ हामीले because up to 175 call you need to pay 200 rupees यो 375 call जुन छ हो त्यसको 175 कल सम्म त 200 रुपैयाँ त तिर्नै पर्छ नि ओके अब एक्स्ट्रा चाहिँ कति कल गर्यो अनि त्यो एक्स्ट्रा कलको चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ पर्यो दैट यु नीड टु फाइन्ड आउट फर्स्ट ओके सो एक्स्ट्रा कल इक्वल्स टु ओके सो टेलिफोन कल माइनस रेन्टल कल भनेको कति हो त मिनिमम कल चाहिँ कति गर्न पाइयो त व्हाट वाज द मिनिमम कल व्हाट वाज द rental call means minimum call is how much 175 call okay 175 call is the rental call so extra call equals to telephone call minus rental call okay this is your formula okay so how much telephone call you have done this month so 325 call minus rental call is how much rental call is 175 okay so 175 call सम्म चाहिँ तिमीहरुको minimum call भनेर छुट्याएको छ यहाँ हेर्ने कल भनेर लेख्छ कल if it is written rupees otherwise cost charge भनेर लेख्छ भने चाहिँ त्यहाँ 200 rupees लेख्ने ओके सो तिमीले बुझेछ छैन भने कलमा यो कल लेख्ने चार्ज कस्ट भनेर छ भने चाहिँ रुपीस लेख्ने चार्ज भनेको रुपीस हो नि त ओके सो मिनिमम चार्ज मिनिमम कस्ट भन्छ नि रुपीस 200 मिनिमम कल भनेछ भने कल मीन्स हाउ मच should be the minimum call 175 call okay so in that way we can memorize so telephone call 325 this is the question so rental call is how much what is the minimum call is 175 subtract them you are going to get 155 call यति extra तिमीले कल गरेको रहेछौ साथीहरुलाई now after that so let us find out what is the cost of this call extra call को कति रुपैयाँ लाग्यो तिमीहरुको so यो पत्ता लगाऊ ओके यसको कति रुपैयाँ लाग्यो त so अघि 175 को त 200 रुपैयाँ त तिर्नै पर्छ अब यो एक्स्ट्रा कल को चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ लाग्यो त that let us find out so extra call cost equals to extra call into rate okay this formula also I have written in that page in the first page I have written so you can see over there So extra call is how much extra? What is the extra call? 150 into what is the rate? Agi minimum charge कति लिने भनेछ, additional charge कति लिने भनेछ त? Additional call charge is 1 rupee per call. Okay, so that means extra additional charge को 1 रुपैयाँ गोटाले लिँदै रहेछ. So extra call is 150 into 1. That means altogether. So extra call will be 150. So this is not the end. Okay. So you just got the value of extra call. So दुईटा समोसाको चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ भयो भनेर आयो. तर that दुईटा समोसा मात्र खाएको नि त तिमीहरूले. Total how much you have taken? 7 samosa. हो त्यसरी नै. So this is the extra call plus 175 को चाहिँ खै त 175 कल को चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ ल्याएको त 200 rupees. Okay, so what will be the bill amount? Subtotal bill amount. Subtotal bill amount equals to rental charge. Okay, charge भनेको 200 रुपैयाँ लेख्ने भने थियो अघि. Okay, so charge means 200. Okay, and if it is call, rental call, then we need to write on 175. Okay, so rental charge plus extra call cost. This is going to be our formula. So rental charge is how much? Rental charge 200 rupees plus extra call cost is how much? Extra call हामीले कति रुपैयाँ गरेछौं? So it is 150. So plus 150 and when you add it, you will get 350 rupees. Okay, so in this way we will get our subtotal bill amount. Okay, if there is any problem you can ask me quickly. First of all, we need to find out extra call, telephone call minus rental call. That's why I told you to learn this formula, because with the formula, it is little bit impossible to find out the answers. Okay, extra call, then extra call cost, then subtotal bill amount. If you are asked to find out the grand total bill amount, then you need to write down the formula as subtotal bill amount into 110% into 113%. In that way, we need to write down the formula. Okay, or question ma subtotal matra हैन grand total bill amount पनि पत्ता लगाउनु भनेछ. Okay, so here in this question just subtotal bill amount मात्रै पत्ता लगाउनु भनेछ. That's why this is okay for this question. If there's any problem, please ask me. Your mic is mute, so you can open your mic and you can speak if you are having any problem. If you don't have, let me go to the next slide. Okay, shall I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us go to number 5. Okay, so number 5, 6, 7, they are similar. So let us go to number 5. Okay, the same question is given. Look at there. The minimum charge for first 175 call is rupees 200. That means minimum call, rental call को कति रुपैयाँले call बनेछ भने call लेख्ने, cost बनेछ भने rupees लेख्ने है. I am saying you again and again. So if it is call, write down call 175 call. If it is cost, then write down rupees. Okay, so in that way, let us memorize. So minimum call, that means rental call is 175. Make minimum cost, rental cost is rupees 200. So additional call, that means it is rate is given rupee 1 per call. Okay, I've written this one according to your book. So book मा दिएको information अनुसारै लेखेको छु मैले. And if you see a book here, what you are asked to find out? You are asked to find out the grand total bill amount. So grand total bill amount. So find the grand total bill amount including 10% TSC, 13% VAT, and the following telephone call are given as below. So grand total bill amount निकाल्नु भनेको छ. Okay, so TSC is given, VAT is given. So before grand total bill, we need to find out the subtotal bill. Okay, किनभने grand total bill को formula में के छ? Subtotal bill amount into 110% into 113%. This was the formula. That means we need to find out the subtotal bill amount first. Okay, subtotal bill amount पत्ता लगाउनु भन्दा अगाडि हामीलाई extra call कति चाहियो, that we need to find out. That means we need to go according to the previous number. अघि जसरी निकालेको थियो नि हो त्यसरी नै निकाल्दै जाने अनि लास्टमा grand total bill amount we need to add it. Okay, so first of all we need to find out what the first step is, find the extra call. Then second, find the extra call cost. Then find out the subtotal bill amount. Then only we can find out the grand total bill amount. Okay, there are 4 steps. So अघिसम्म 3 स्टेपमा गर्थ्यौं because there was just up to subtotal bill amount. Now let us go to the 4th step also now. Okay, so let us go one by one. Okay, so first of all, check telephone call. Is it more than 175 call or not? Call 175 भन्दा धेरै हुनु पर्यो है. So to follow this step, if it is less than 175, then just we can write down 200 rupees, finished. 200 रुपैयाँ भनेर लेखिन सक्यो, finished. Okay, but if it is more than 175 call, then we need to follow these steps. Okay, so extra call equals to, what is the formula? Telephone call minus rental call. So telephone call कति call गरेछ? Okay, so 575 call he has done or she has done. Maybe it is C. Okay, so C होला because a lot of call is there. केटा मान्छे त्यति बोल्दैनन्. Okay, so girls, they are, wow. Okay, so 575 minus, what is the rental call? Rental call is 175. Okay, so if there is call, follow the call. If there is cost, follow the cost. I am saying you again and again. So 575 minus 175, it is going to be 400 calls. Okay, so what is the second step? Extra call निकालेपछि extra call cost पनि निकाल्ने. यसको चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ पर्यो त? Okay, so that also we need to find out. So extra call cost equals to extra call into rate. Extra call is how much? It is 400 into rate is how much? एक call को कति रुपैयाँ? Additional call cost, that means rate is how much? 1 rupee. Okay, so rupee 1 per call. Okay, so let us write down, in case of rate, let us write down rupee 1. Okay, I am telling you again, this is the singular form. So when you multiply this one, it becomes plural. Okay, 1 manda there is and it becomes plural. So rupee ka thama rupees lekhne. Okay, so 400 into 1. So I don't think you need to get the calculator now. 400 into 1. Okay, so calculator nikalera pura multiply garnu parदैन होला. It is 400 itself, so it is going to be 400. So subtotal bill amount. What is the value of subtotal bill amount? Okay, so subtotal bill amount means your formula is going to be rental charge, that is the minimum charge, plus extra call cost. Okay, the cost lesser, charge lesser. Okay, that means rupees. You need to follow the rupees now. Rental charge means rupees kati cha? Minimum charge, so rupees, it is 200. Okay, so let us write down 200 plus extra call cost. यता extra call भनेको भाइ यता follow गर्नु पर्थ्यो, 400 follow गर्नु पर्थ्यो. Okay, but if here is extra call cost, we need to follow the cost. ए एउटा त अनि 400 त अनि भन्छ नि, यता call छ यता rupees छ. Sometimes extra call cost को value, okay, so the rate may be 2, sometimes it may be 3. Book ले पो 2 1 मात्र भनेछ, that's why we are so we are getting the same value. But if you see the set book, question bank पल्टायो भने, so तिमीहरुको त्यहाँ 2 लेखेछ, 3 लेखेछ, 2.5 लेखेछ, that means you are not going to get the same amount. Okay, so if there is cost, after this we are just following the cost only, that's why just follow the cost now. Extra call cost means what is the extra call cost? It is 400. Okay, so 200 plus 400, it is going to be 600. Okay, so up to this one we have already done in the previous number also. Okay, now what we need to find out? Grand total bill amount, because your question is asking you to find out the grand total bill amount. So what is the formula? So grand total bill amount means subtotal bill amount into 110 percentage into 113 percentage. So 10 percentage will denote the TSC, telephone service charge, and 13 percentage will denote your VAT, VAT, value added tax. Okay, so let us use the value. So subtotal bill amount is 600 into 110 percentage is going to be 110 divided by 100 into 113 percentage means 113 divided by 100. So we can cancel it, we can do everything, and we can get the answer as 745.8 will come in a calculator. Okay, so 745.8 will come in a calculator. But when there is point and when there is rupees, okay, in case of rupees, point पछाडि जले दुईटा number लेख्ने. Okay, we need to write down 2 numbers after decimal. So if there is only one number after decimal, please make 1 0. There are 0 top din. Okay, it is not 8 paisa, it is 80 paisa. Is that okay? So if there is just point, if there is rupees, and if there is only one number after decimal, please add one more zero. Okay, so in this way, we'll get the answer, grand total bill amount. If there is any problem, you can ask me immediately. Any problem? Please turn on your mic and tell me if there is any problem.
No, sir.
Okay. So look at number 6. The question is same, right? The minimum charge for 175 call is 200 rupees. If the charge for each additional call is rupee 1, find the bill amount including, oh my god, just 10 minutes left. Okay, so if the bill amount including 10% TSC and adding 13% VAT, that means the same question. You can see the same question. That means grand total bill amount ne find गर्नु भन्छ. Find the total bill. Total भनेको कति रुपैयाँ तिर्नु पर्छ तिमीहरूले? तिर्नु पर्ने के हो? After TSC and VAT. So TSC र VAT पछाडि के भन्छ त्यसलाई? Grand total bill amount ने भन्छ. So that's why. So we need to find out the grand total bill amount. Okay. So number 6 also you can do it in the similar way. Okay. यही तरिकाले गरौँ. So number 7 also same, है? The charge, look at number 7, same, almost same is there. So the charge of telephone for first 175 call is 200. That means minimum call is 175, minimum cost is rupees 200 rupees. So the cost for the each extra call is rupee 1. That means additional call cost भनेको rate भनेको rupee 1 दिएको छ हैन. And if the service charge is 10 and the VAT is 13, okay, and the same thing is given. Service charge means telephone service charge is given 10%, VAT percent is given 13%. And how much should 375 call cost? That means, so telephone call कति गरेको रहेछ 655. I've done of number B, okay, 7B के चाहिँ गरेको रहेछु मैले. 655 call it is done. Then how will you find out? So what you asked to find out? Find the cost for each extra call if the, what is the question? Okay, so how much should 655 call cost? That means कति रुपैयाँ पर्छ अरे? Okay, so what you need to find out? You need to find out the grand total bill amount again. The process is same. Extra call is we need to do it first. Second, we need to find out the extra call cost. Okay, so त्यही गरेको छ हामीले. So मैले, and after that subtotal bill amount is the same thing. So rental charge plus extra call cost, you have to do it. Okay, then after that, so grand total bill amount equals to subtotal bill amount into 110% into 113%. So multiply everything, so you'll get this much. Okay, so just to show you that the number 5, 6, 7 they are similar, I have done number 7B for you. Okay. So number 8 is a little bit lengthy, so let me go to number 8. Okay, so I will send you these photographs afterwards. You can copy afterwards. Okay, otherwise you can do it yourself. The question is same. Let me go to the next slide. Okay, so number 8. Look at number 8. We just have 7 minutes left. The minimum charge of telephone call for 175 local call is rupees 200. Question are almost same. Sabaiको माथिको title they are almost same, right? So the minimum call rental call is 175, minimum charge is 200. Okay, so 175 call को 200 रुपैयाँ पर्छ हरे. अनि additional call को चाहिँ कति रुपैयाँ पर्छ हरे? So rupee 1 is charged for each extra call. That means additional call cost is rupee 1. Okay, so others you can write down rupee 1 per call also. Okay, so यहाँ छुट्याएछु मैले. So please write down per call also, write down per call. Okay, per call. Then after that, so telephone call. Okay, so in the previous question, telephone call चाहिँ दिएको हुन्थ्यो. Okay, यो चाहिँ दिएको हुन्थ्यो. But now telephone call चाहिँ पत्ता लगाऊ अरे. So telephone call पत्ता लगाऊ. So how will you find out how to पत्ता लगाऊ? So that we are going to find out right now. So if the subtotal bill amount is given, okay, now so the question is different. सबटोटल बिल अमाउन्ट इज गिवन अघि सबटोटल बिल चाहिँ पत्ता लगाऊ क्वेशन मार्क दिएको हुन्थ्यो यहाँ नो दिस इज गिवन एन्ड टेलिफोन कल यु आर आस्क्ड टु फाइन्ड आउट अघिकै क्वेशन तर रिभर्स भएको छ यो अघि यो दिएको थियो ओके टाउकोबाट खुट्टा निकाल भनेको थियो अब चाहिँ खुट्टाबाट टाउको निकाल भनेको छ ओके जस्ट अपोजिट इज गिवन द्याट मिन्स लेट अस गो इन द रिभर्स फर्म अघि हामीले के निकाल्थ्यौँ सो लेट अस सी ओके सो लेट अस चेक व्हाट वी टु फाइन्ड आउट हामीले अघि के गर्थ्यौँ त भन्दाखेरि हेर्ने त एकल सो वी यूज टु फाइन्ड आउट एक्स्ट्रा कल देन एक्स्ट्रा कल कस्ट देन सब टोटल बिल अमाउन्ट ओके सो यहाँ के दिएको छ ओके so in that way we used to find out so extra call cost then subtotal bill amount so grand total is not given so you tinta nikalte hami serially now this is given subtotal bill amount is given that means from here we need to start हामीले यहाँबाट स्टार्ट गर्ने because यसको amount दिएको छ नि त okay so we need to use this formula first after getting the answer from here we need to go for the second one now okay second formula ma use जाने and after that we need to go for the first formula हामी उल्टातिर जाउँ अब okay subtotal बाट स्टार्ट गरौँ then extra call cost so extra call then only you are going to get the telephone call okay so then अनि मात्र तिमीले टेलिफोन कल को भ्यालु पाउँछौ तिमीले okay you to find out the telephone call यो दिएको छैन that's why let us go by the reverse form is that okay or not so let us go so subtotal bill amount equals to rental call charge so rental bill or the rental bill charge plus extra call cost so this was your formula isn't it third formula के हो त subtotal bill को rental bill plus extra call cost so what are the given in this question so subtotal bill amount is how much subtotal bill is 519 लेख्ने equals to I told you rental दुईटा छ rental यता rental call rental charge कुन खालको rental हो यो okay so it is charge so let us write down the value of charge 200 लेखौं यता रुपीस भकेला रुपीस को कुरा लेख्ने plus extra call cost निकालौं because extra call cost is not given anywhere so we need to find out the extra call cost first okay so plus will go this side it becomes minus so minus गर्ने you will get 319 extra call cost means it becomes 319 rupees अब सब टोटल भन्दा अलिकति माथि के थियो एक्स्ट्रा कल कस्ट okay so what was there so सब टोटल बिल माथि extra call cost so that let us find out so extra call cost means it is extra call into rate extra call into rate was the formula isn't it so extra call को value दिएको छैन so we are going to find out so extra call cost कति छ extra call cost को value okay so extra call cost means it is 319 equals to extra call into rate is how much rate is 1 rupee okay 1 value लेख्ने when multiply go this side becomes divide okay so 319 divided by 1 means 319 only okay so 319 calls will be the value of extra call so यो भयो second को अब first मा जाउँ त हामी what was the formula first formula extra call को formula so telephone call minus rental call हामी उल्टो जान्दैछौँ है let me repeat again so extra call means telephone call minus rental call so extra call is how much 319 equals to this you are asked to find out telephone call निकाल्नु भनेछ minus rental call is how much rental call फेरि rental दुईटा छ चार्ज सोधेको कि कल सोधेको call 175 so 175 so when minus sign go this side it becomes plus so 319 plus 175 okay so that means therefore the total telephone call is going to be 494 calls okay so this is going to be your final answer so if telephone call is asked you need to go in the reverse form if you are asked the subtotal bill amount you need to go अघि को तरिकाले जानु पर्छ तिमीले okay so we need to go according to that one हामी अघि फर्स्ट मा के जान्थ्यौं एक्स्ट्रा कल निकाल्थ्यौं okay then extra call cost निकाल्थ्यौं then subtotal bill amount निकाल्थ्यौं but the question is different okay so यता telephone call चाहिँ निकाल्नु भनेछ that's why we are going in the reverse form So telephone call बाट extra निकाल्ने, extra call cost निकाल्ने, extra call cost बाट extra call निकाल्ने. Then after from extra call, we are going to find out the telephone call. Okay, so in this way, we'll go in the reverse. Answer. The time's almost up, and please do up to number 8. Okay, so that will be your homework. Up to number 8. So number 5, 6, 7 they are similar. Number 8 someone garo. If you can do up to number 10. Number 10 someone sakinsa. If you try, you can do up to number 10. 10 9 someone sakinsa. Okay. Up to number 9, please do it as your homework. Any problem? Is there any problem?
No, sir.